Welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how you can create a QR code on iPhone and Android for free. So let's begin. First, go to qrcodegenerator.com. This is the link. Type in the link. I will use my YouTube channel as an example. Then tap Generate QR Code. You have a few options to customize this appearance. Once you're satisfied, tap Download JPEG. It might take a second to generate. On an iPhone, tap View, hold down the image, and select Save to Photos. On Android, it should automatically download to your photos. Now, when people ask about your YouTube channel, you can quickly pull up the QR code, and that's it. This is how the QR code will look like. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.